Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you want to design and build a beautiful website, you can do it all in one place with Squarespace. Welcome to another studio vlog. Today I have something very exciting. A while ago my friend Jess gave me this little Gocco printer, which is basically like a miniature Riso printer, I think. I'm not really sure, I haven't looked into it, but I haven't used it. And I found out that my friend Kim, who is an awesome photographer slash artist slash maker, I thought that it'd be fun if we could learn how to use them together. Also at the moment, I'm about halfway done. Oh my god, here's my hand for scale. Oh my god. What am I doing? And I also have some commercial work for MECURE, which is a series of hotels. It's like 2 purpley illustrations. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you in a sec. Oh my god. Wait, let's compare. Okay. Let's compare the pair. First comparison.
Alright, I have a different model apparently.
I played with Vento for so long yesterday. Are these all the inks?
Yeah. Oh man, you have what?
You can use it. I also have these. So Jess is like a letterer slash illustrator. Do you know? Yeah. So she like gave me this because she was clearing it out. How cool is it?
Look at the way the ink.
Ew, it's like Play-Doh.
From what I understand, this is like the bulb house.
Yeah.
So you put the bulbs in here, you put your screen in there, and it explodes, and that's how you expose the screen. And
yeah.
Apparently, when you handle the bulbs, you should wear gloves or something.
Oh shit.
Yeah, just like don't touch it with your hand.
Okay.
You see us tomorrow, we're both like glowing.
Is it Rizzo or Riso?
Riso.
Oh god, I got it both wrong. Okay, Riso. I always say Rizzo.
That's fine too.
Well, I'm gonna say Riso because you seem to be in the know. I do like a screen print. You can use my colours. They're not even really mine. I don't even feel attached to this, so you can use as much as you want.
Red.
Oh wait, I'm gonna decide on my colours right now.
Like, I'm just gonna do a 1 color print.
One colour.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're gonna do it.
Wait, how long do you have? How long can I keep you?
I don't have anything to do with it.
Yeah. Oh, you did a bag?
No, this is a bag that I bought.
Okay.
And I scanned it and I want to make a print of it.
That's so cool.
Like this.
All I need is the planet, and then the background will just have like a little left out star.
Yeah.
I could do 2 colours.
Yeah, do 2 colors.
What did you?
You want to do 3?
Well,
How many screens do you have? I don't know. Is there instructions anywhere?
help.
I'm so stressed.
Why did we do this?
Can we watch a video?
Yeah, let's watch a video. This is the final, what it's hopefully going to look like. I don't know if I use the right colours in the digital version, but that, then that, then that. Oh, I'm so excited.
It's gonna be sick. Looks great.
Thanks.
Did you like color match the colors that you have? Like,
I tried to.
yeah.
I'm just sad that they're like the typical colours everyone uses for Riso prints, but it's it.
I'm just going to print them with lots of borders and then we can just... Oh, that was cute. And then pink.
Yeah.
Sick.
Oh, show me yours.
Plastic bag.
Yeah.
And my picky.
Yeah. So you're doing a 1 colour for the picture?
Yeah. I'm nervous. I don't know if it's gonna work.
Okay, so what's the first step?
Alright, we're gonna make the master.
Okay.
So we put the piece of paper on the pad and have it so that it's like centered with this window, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna do mine like this.
Oh my god, weird noobs. I'm so scared. I feel like I'm getting cramps from being stressed. Bulbs. Wait. Okay, 1 bulb per.
Yeah. Apparently you should wipe the contact on something so that it's like nice and clean. We can kneel on the floor.
We kneel to no one.
Should we do it at the same time or one at a time? We can do it at the same time.
Okay.
Lean down. Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh! It was so bright.
You wasn't doing this.
Oh. Wait, maybe mine's not doing it properly. Wait.
Oh wait, I was meant to hold it for a while.
Oh no! Maybe you can do it again.
Yeah, it's fine, I can just hold it.
So this is the part where everything starts going really wrong. We try and figure out these printers for like an hour. Things do not go to plan. Okay. Mine's the same.
What have we done? Yeah, I looked at it. I regret it.
Yours works!
Yeah. Sad. I want yours to work.
As long as one of ours works, that's all that matters. Yeah! That looks great! Okay, so it's possible. Just not for me.
I want to use some of my bulbs. I have so many.
It's not that, it's more just like the waste of that many bulbs.
Yeah. But that one wasn't full anyway, right?
It's pretty full. I mean, look how many there are there. Oh my god, the bag, which is the real one, who's to say? Okay, yay. I'm glad yours worked. I feel very happy about that. Pretty fun. Wild. I need to trim it. We just got back from the Rizzeria. Oh my god. I know that I like Riso when other people do it, but I didn't know how much I'd love it when I did it. Oh my god. I'll make sure I put some close-ups in, but holy crap, I love it so much. I think this is the start of something that I'm obsessed with. I'll do a giveaway with a few of these and then maybe put the rest in my store because I ended up making heaps. I cannot wait to go back and make more stuff. It's so good. I'll put all the details for the Rizzeria down below. You should definitely check them out. A perfect silver lining to the fail that was my Gocco print. Yay. I hold my chopsticks incorrectly. Just a little recap, wind down. Once again, I just want to repeat for the 100th time. Riso is my favorite thing right now. I'm obsessed with my own Riso prints. Yes, you heard it here again. Yet another vlog where I'm obsessed with my work, okay? Just let me have it. Sometimes we hate our work, sometimes we don't. Please be in the center or I'll cry. One thing I think is so weird is that the last vlog I did and this vlog both have a similar like thing. I tried to do something, it didn't work out. And then I did it again, and then I fell in love with it. So I think the moral of my life is, if at first you don't succeed, I think it's try again. I'm not sure what the quote is. I want to give away some of these prints. So I will put most of them in my store, but I'm going to give away one on YouTube, one on Instagram, one on Twitter. So come find me on all of those platforms. If you want to win this cute little baby planet, which I made with lots of love and care, all you have to do is comment below, I want to take home that cute little baby planet, and then you'll be in the running to win a print. If you want extra chances of winning print, check out my Twitter and my Instagram. If you can't be bothered to wait, you can get it in my store. I want to say thank you to SquareSpace for sponsoring this video as usual, but wait, you think I'm going to say the usual thing? I'm not going to say the usual thing. Will I direct you to my special code? You'll have to look at another video for that, because this week, what I want you to see is the video that I created for them on their channel. It's a quick one. but it's about being your own customer and making things that you truly love and not doing what other people expect of you. If you're interested in hearing me speak about that topic, or you're just looking for the next video to watch, check it out. I'm so proud of it. Rocket makes a cameo, and I think it's helpful. Like, I wish someone gave me this advice when I was younger, because it's something I definitely struggled with. You can find the link to that video in the description box, or go to their YouTube channel, which is here. I'm sorry I've been tooting my own horn so much lately. I'm just really loving what I'm making, okay? I think that's something to be celebrated, not to be hidden away. Peace.